Is uncured ham safe to eat without cooking?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to answer a common question that pops up in many kitchen discussions. Is uncured ham safe to eat without cooking? The answer might surprise you, as it's not as straightforward as you might think. Let's take a deep dive into the world of ham to understand the nuances better.
What is uncured ham?
Uncured ham, despite its name, is not completely uncured. It's cured using natural curing agents like celery powder, which contains nitrates, as opposed to traditional hams that are cured with artificial nitrates and nitrites. These natural agents do the same job of preserving the meat and giving it the familiar flavor and color.
Can you eat uncured ham without cooking?
This is where it gets a bit tricky. While most ham is cooked during the curing process, it doesn't mean all hams are safe to eat straight from the package. Safety depends on the specific handling and processing methods used. If you purchase a ham labeled as fully cooked, it is safe to eat without further cooking. This applies to both cured and uncured hams. However, if you have a cook before eating, or raw, uncured ham, it requires proper cooking before it's safe to eat. Eating it without cooking can expose you to harmful bacteria, like Salmonella or Trichinella, leading to foodborne illness.
How do you know if your ham needs cooking?
The best way to know if your ham needs to be cooked is to check the packaging labels. If it says, fully cooked, you're good to go. If it mentions, cook before eating, you should do so to ensure safety. When in doubt, cooking it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit will ensure it's safe to eat. So, can you eat uncured ham without cooking it? The answer is, it depends on whether it has been fully cooked during the curing process or not. Always read labels carefully, and when in doubt, cook your ham to ensure you're eating a safe and delicious meal. We hope this video has demystified the topic for you, and remember, safe cooking is happy cooking.